Our new Florida vacation house. Planted tons and tons of bananas and citrus and all that stuff. Alright. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. How's it going, guys? It's been a long time. Been a long time since I've talked directly to you guys here on YouTube. And a lot of stuff has been going on over the last couple years. A lot of stuff that needs to probably be talked about. The future of this channel, right? Where are we at? Where are we going? What's been going on? Just a quick update on everything. We sold the property in Tennessee, and so we're no longer in Tennessee. And I'm sure that might upset a lot of people, but I've always considered myself to be a property developer. Not one of those people that go in and clear cut everything, chop it up, and put a bunch of McMansions and put subdivisions in. No, but taking property that nobody wants, making it look nicer, planting fruit trees, cleaning it up. You know, it's easier for me to sell a property when I'm taking pictures of fruit trees and berry bushes and stuff like that when a real estate agent doesn't get out of their car. We also, we got a house in Florida, and currently we are living at Myrtle Beach. We're actually in a two-story condo here in Myrtle Beach. And the funny thing is that we haven't been here very long, and I already have almost the entire porch covered in plants. They're all citrus trees. They're all citrus trees mainly, and a couple other things, some Pindle palm fruits and stuff like that. But yeah, you can plan on more of that, more planting fruit trees, more developing land. I've got a plan. I don't got a plan. We're closing on some more land here pretty soon. I'm going to save that. I'm going to kind of surprise you guys, but we've got a big piece of property that we're going to be closing on in North Carolina. That is absolutely beautiful. It's half woods, half field, and there was corn growing on it a couple years ago. So it's going to be real easy to turn into a U-pick orchard with a whole bunch of good stuff and cool stuff ahead. But I just want to give you guys an update. Thank you guys for hanging in there. If you've made it this long, you guys are awesome. Here's an update on what we've been doing down in Florida and what we've been doing this past summer when we took the summer off.
I'd like to know just how you feel. You know you want more. Let's be real. You say goodbye, good riddance. I say amen. We both know it's over. Let's end it again.
Planted tons and tons of bananas, citrus, and all that stuff.
That seem fair to you? You make me mad and you know it. But you don't know where I've been. Do you wanna play fair? Anytime, anywhere. Come play me again.
So underneath these giant oaks I've been putting pineapple plants. See, I've got a bunch of citrus. You see the shade? These are all citrus. I've got them underneath these granddaddy oak trees. And these are going to protect them from frost.